Welcome to the Camauto cart assembly tutorial.
Unbox the red piece first. There's going to be hardware inside, such as these nuts and bolts. The larger ones are for the casters, the smaller ones are for the rest of the build. Unboxing everything, separating it all, making sure all the parts are undamaged. They should be, but I like to inspect them anyway. After separating everything inside, we're going to find a set of instructions. First, we want to assemble our casters. The two swivel casters go on the front of the unit, and the two non-steering casters are in the rear. The lip is pointed up, as you can see. Line up those notches. Tighten both sides down. I like to take the Phillips head on the outside and put the nuts on the inside. Just makes for a cleaner finish. Those little triangular plates that are in there are for added stability along the front. It doesn't hurt to have an extra set of hands. But you can muscle it in by yourself. Checking the roller, making sure I don't have any issues. Now I like to add these back plates to hold the two bars that go in there, depending on how you like to set yours up. There's a hanger for our slide hammer. If you have the entry-level cart, you won't have an outlet at the bottom unless you purchase it separately. But on the premium body shop cart, you will have that. It's an outlet along the side, which also has USB ports. Put on the handle. In order to install that electrical piece along the side, you have to take those off, mount it, and then put that back on. But she's a beauty. Check out more at CamAutoPro.com.